Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our classes. Today we are going to do page 15, the new edition. Let's get down to it. So we have three letters, okay? A, da, ada, ma, ada, ma, adama, a, da, ma, adama, adama, a, da, ma, adama, adama, okay? Da, ro, a. درأ 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 درس 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 در and س درس درس ذر ذر أ ذرأ ذرأ ذر ذرأ ذرأ okay have را أ رأى رأى فا رأف رأف رز 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 ما رزم رزم رز رز ما رزم رزم رز 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 قا رزق 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 را رأى 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 س رأس 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 okay let's get to the other part here. This looks good. Okay زرع 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 رد 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 ما ردم 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 و وأ وأ د وأد وأد okay وأد ورا ورا د ورد ورد okay وز 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 ن وزن 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 رد 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 ردع 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 زر 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 د زرد 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 okay زرد 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 دأ 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 ب دأب 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 okay let's go one more time from the beginning and I want you to notice one thing. Look, all of these words, they have not been joined together, which means they are all non-connectors, right? Look, a is a non-connector, da is a non-connector, and you cannot join anything after the non-connector. Look, abo, look, you cannot join anything from the non-connector. Look, this is a non-connector, you cannot join it with dal. Dal is a non-connector, you cannot join anything after the non-connector. That's why we have a, da, ma, adama, adama. Da non-connector, ra non-connector, alif hamza non-connector, da ra a dara dara. Look again, two non-connectors, and after a non-connector you cannot connect anything. Don't forget about that. Da ra sa darasa darasa. Okay, the ra a dhara dhara. Okay, all of them non-connectors. Then we have ra a fa ra'afa. Ra non-connector, a is a non-connector, you cannot join it, you cannot connect it with the fa, okay, because after a non-connector we cannot connect anything. Don't forget about that. That is very very important. Okay, ra za ma razama razama razama. Look, after the ra you cannot connect, after the za you cannot connect anything. Non-connectors. Ra za qa razaqa razaqa, you cannot connect anything. Ra a sa ra'asa ra'asa, you cannot connect anything. Za, okay, let me push up here and we are good. Zara, zara, zara'a, zara'a. Look, you cannot connect. Okay, why? Because they are non-connectors. Don't forget about that. Radama, radama, radama. Why can't we join all of this together? Because they are non-connectors, and after non-connector you cannot connect anything after a non-connector, right? Wa-a-da, wa-ada, wa-ada. Look, wow is a non-connector, alif is a non-connector, dal is a non-connector. You cannot connect all of them. Wa-ada, wa-ra-da, warada. Look, you cannot connect all of this. Okay, don't forget about that. Then we have wazana, 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 wazana. You cannot connect them. Rada'a, rada'a, rada'a. Look, you cannot connect. Zarada, 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 zarada. Da'aba, da'aba, da'aba. Okay, we cannot connect. So remember, the non-connectors are how many? 6. Alif is the first one, and the last one is waw. Alif, waw. Then in the middle we have dal, dhal, ra, za. Dal, dhal, ra, za. Don't forget about that. Inshallah, ma'asalama. Thank you for watching. See you in the next page.